In high net worth divorces, a large amount of money, property, businesses, assets, and other items are at stake. Because they tend to be quite complex, high net worth divorces have a much higher potential for mistakes on both sides. Failure to properly account for assets and liabilities can be very costly. It's important to take this inventory seriously and ensure that all information is accurate and up to date. It is time-consuming and tedious to put these items together, but failure to do so properly can leave you holding on to liabilities that should not be yours, or you giving up assets or alimony you should not be obligated to give up.